We are back with some breaking inputs coming in. India readies list of wanted gangsters. This is a list of gangsters that India wants extradited. List of gangsters has been shared with US. So the gangsters that India wants extradited has been shared with US is what we are given to understand. The list is ready. Indian security agencies are going to be sharing a list of Indian gangsters with their US counterparts. These gangsters are operating or running organized crime syndicates from US. This development takes place at a time when Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be meeting US President Donald Trump. Prominent among these dozen-odd gangsters are Anmol Bishnoi, Goldie Barar, Dhananjot Singh Kalon. Anmol Bishnoi has been detained. We have Bhavtosh getting us more details on that. Bhavtosh, so a list has been prepared. This is a list of the most wanted gangsters that India wants extradited. And we're given to understand this is going to be shared with the US counterparts?
Yes, Swati. In fact, on the sidelines of Indian Prime Minister meeting US President Donald Trump, this list of gangsters turned terrorists will be shared with US security agencies. This list, in fact, include Anmol Bishnoi, was detained last November by US authorities. Anmol Bishnoi is wanted by NIA and also by Mumbai police. Remember, Anmol Bishnoi is someone whose instructions shots were fired outside Salman Khan residence, and more importantly is the prime accused in the killing of Baba Siddiqui. And I has also declared a reward of around 20 lakh rupees. He's also wanted in several cases of terror-related cases of NIA. The other person who is wanted by several security agencies include Goldie Barar. Goldie Barar was declared as a designated terrorist by MHA in January 2024. Dhananjot Singh Kalon is the person who was in fact one who provided weapons to the gangsters who were involved in killing of Sidhu Moosewala. Dhananjot Kalon is one who has links with Khalistani extremists and openly is in touch with terrorists who are operating in US as well as in Canada. It is expected that when Indian security agencies will be meeting their counterparts in US, this list will be shared with them.
All right.